Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa, go ahead.
115 Alpha requesting the skyline stop front.
Cirrus 511 Alpha Papa, squawk 0301, night done. Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa, you radar contact, New York South altimeter 299 tree. You can contact Teterboro Tower 195 for advisories.
19 tree, requesting skyline, is that towards Peterborough?
Contact Teterboro Tower 100.5. This AMA 27, Triangle 140.
40827.
New York 5 Alpha, we're requesting a Bravo's clearance through the Bravo. Is that something with Peterborough?
Yeah, you're not going to get that from me. Maybe Teterboro. Call Teterboro Tower. They'll give you advisories, and you're going to have to save all the Bravo. 5 Alpha Papa, you want the river tour, right?
I want the skyline, the VFR transition through the Bravo, above the, like in the Bravo airspace.
Okay, yeah, we can't do that. You have to go below the Bravo, the VFR exclusion. If you want, you can do that. 5 Alpha Papa, if you want advisories while you're underneath the Bravo, you can contact Teterboro Tower 195. Flight set 345, right turning to 140.
140, heading flight set 345.
This AMA 27, stop your descent, turn right heading of 200.
Stop descent 200, this MA27.
This AMA 27, did you copy?
Stop descent 200, this MA27.
Yeah, Cirrus traffic, 11 o'clock, about a mile northbound. They're starting to climb now, 2,000 feet. Not sure why. Just turn right heading at 200 to avoid them.
00, looking for traffic, this MA27.
Yeah, 1105, to rating 110.
110, 1105.
Yeah, 1105, traffic 10 o'clock, 2 miles southwest on 2,600 to challenge you.
Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa, New York.
Yeah, we're figuring out what we're going to do because we're planning to go through the Bravo. Stand by.
Cirrus 5 Alpha Papa, you're not going to the Bravo. It's not happening. You want the river tour, you go beneath the Bravo. That's how it works.
Alright, we'll figure it out. We'll let you know, 5 Alpha. Thank you.
Alright, well, while you're figuring it out, you're in the way of all the Peterborough arrivals. So what's your story?
Last echo airspace.
AMA 27 instead of maintain 2,000.
2000, this MA27.
Are you climbing?
Roger.
We're gonna stick over to house on 2500 5 Alpha.
Cirrus 5 Alpha Papa, are you heading northeastbound now because you caused a Peterborough arrival to climb and then that conflicted with other traffic, so I need to know what you're doing. You're in the way of Peterborough arrivals right now.
We're gonna remain over to house on 5 Alpha.
Flight set 345 to the maintain 2,000.
Down 2000, flight set 345.
This AMA 27, you got the field in sight?
Negative.
This AMA 27, to our tower. AMA 27, turn right heading of 34, right turn 340 heading, then we'll vector you back around.
It's inside, this MA27.
Flight set 345 is over Shrew, 2000 establish final approach course, clear for the RNAV 24 approach.
2000, clear for the RNAV 24 approach, flight set 345.
Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa, contact approach 120.8. Cirrus 115 Alpha Papa.